Look at all this loot! DJ, none for you! Welcome back, I'm Captain Xavier, and you guessed it, I'm still a shameless fan of getting free stuff. I reached out to Banggood and asked them, hey, is there anything new you'd like me to review? And they sent me this kit. It is, as you can see, an MP5. Unlike the previous kit that they sent me, which was the MP5K, this is the full MP5 kit. But it's really very similar in a lot of ways, as we are definitely going to see here in a minute. But it consists of all the usual things, the standard strife replacement barrel section that allows you to attach any of their barrels. They made their barrels take their own proprietary attachment point rather than the standard Nerf attachment point, because it allowed it to be svelter. Otherwise it would have to be really wide and bulky. But all of their stocks take the standard stock attachment point. This one's really nice. Very fine print quality on their stuff. It never ceases to amaze me how they print their stuff so cleanly. And then it actually does have dual side stock locks and metal sling points, which is really nice. And then the top cosmetic portion, as well as the top sight and rail bits for, you know, tacticalness. But as I mentioned, it is very similar to the MP5K kit that they sent me, which is a little bit smaller and has the area there for the foregrip and the collapsible looking stock. But it has the exact same top piece, which I think is handy because it means I don't have to fully disassemble a strife to be able to put this kit on something. So the stock just comes off, and I've taken the screws out so that the barrel just comes right off. And then this is these parts already taken care of, other than the side rail, but that's not really necessary. And then this piece. So we just need to attach the new part. So you've got the stock and the new barrel. And there you have it. That's really all there is to it. They're really easy to install. The first time you install it, you of course have to take the blaster apart to get that barrel attachment point in, but then there's plenty of screws to hold it all together. And yeah, you can put the rail wherever you want rail. So if I decided I didn't want the rail on here, that would not be an issue. Grab a couple of the rail screws. Alright, now we have the side rail in there. If you're, you know, into that sort of thing. Obviously, I would advocate painting the tip of the barrel orange. The worker kits come all black, but that is easily remedied and really should be. Yeah. As it is, it takes a full-size magazine. There are ways to make it take a katana magazine and make it look even more like a submachine gun. One person just took a section out of the middle of the strife and moved it together. There is also adapters that allow you to put a katana mag right in the very front of the mag well, and then you can use an extended pusher and it will push them in. So there are ways to do that if you really want to. I think this is a really, really nice design. For those of you who may be curious, the stock filler here was available on Thingiverse. It is part of the Block Kit made by Flechette Spectre. I'll have the link in the description. So yeah, this thing needs a magazine. There you go. Now it definitely has the look. Though, like I said, this is the the MP5 is supposed to be a submachine gun, so it should be using pistol rounds. But you know, there you have it. It's a little bit long, really. I mean, cosmetically, but that's because the strife is a little bit long. This should be all the way back here, so it should be a little bit shorter. But it's very comfortable and very, very pretty. So if this happens to be the style of blaster you were looking for whatever reason, for a cosplay or just for your own style, the worker kits really are very easy to install and really, really pretty. So yeah, the link will be in the description. And thank you so much, Banggood, for sending me this. This is absolutely beautiful. I will do something with these. I'm really tempted to make them into auto strides just because submachine guns, they should be. I don't think I'll try to make them take half darts because that just seems tedious, but definitely they need some additional power. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But that's the kit. If you're interested, you should get one. Thank you guys for watching.